Should have worn gloves.
Yeah, probably.
No, I mean, I wash my hands are completely clean. It just, once you get a little wet.
Lewis goes, oh yeah, I got a little light inside. We could just, you know, set it up while we're working. And I figured it's going to be like an industrial flashlight or something. Homie pulls out a construction job grade light system. Extension cord as well. Wow. Let there be light. Oh wow. This is like cinema grade lighting we have here. I love it.
More the better. It's held in by little rubber tabs, believe it or not. Over the course of 20 years, yes. They have certainly fell off. Thank God they are in one piece and they can be re-glued back on. And we are fit.
New lights, half the dashboard wasn't illuminating. New pixels. I didn't even know you could replace these. That's cool. And the whole ass soldering kit.
Oh. But yeah. These are the ones that survived. You can see it, like literally it gets dry rotted.
But like, I mean, it's also not crazy because like that's like 20 years that's just sat in there perfectly fine. And that's like what I really admired about the car is that
take a look at this, let's see.
There's basically no creaking at all.
That is nasty. Until I had to open it up recently and I had to crack my sticker as well. Look on the bottom as well, the VIN. It has not been cracked. So that's something to note. You're gonna want straight clear. Give that like 10 minutes or so. We're gonna clean the LCD screen as well.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Unlike these American cars, they have a bunch of clips. We have rubber clips. They're right up on here, on each corner.
Ah, what a difference. So much better. Really helps like not feel like you're driving the complete darkness. I love that. So cool. Do have to replace the bulbs to the left and to the far right. The kit that we got was only for the center, so that's all right though. We'll just pop it out. Go from there. It's awesome.